Greetings, mathematicians. Today we're going to be programming using the TI-84 Plus, and we are going to program how to find the missing side of a right triangle, the hypotenuse, specifically the C. So we're going to go ahead and create a new program. So let's go over to create new, and we are going to name it Pythag, and we're actually going to go ahead and name that with the C as well. That way we know we're using this program to search for C, the hypotenuse. So the first thing we're going to do is start with a display. So under program, and then to the right, input output, number 3, display. We are going to, and I'm going to put second alpha with the quotation marks. What I want to put is the phrase, what is A? And then I'm also going to put a question mark after that, and I'll close the quotation marks. And I'm going to go ahead and hit alpha to take the alpha locks off, and I'm going to hit enter. The next line, I'm going to go back to program and go back to input output, but this time I'm going to put prompt, and I'm going to prompt for A, the variable A. It's actually going to store the whatever we put in as the variable A, and then the next thing we're going to do the exact same thing, but it's going to be what is B. So back to program, input output, display, and second alpha to put my alpha locks on, and what is B with the question mark after B, close the quotation marks, get the alpha locks off, hit enter, and now I'm going to put prompt B. So program input output prompt B with our number 2 alpha B, and the very next line is actually going to be solving for C, which would be second x squared for a square root sign, alpha A squared plus alpha b, or variable b squared, close the parentheses, and then we're going to store it, STO button, store it as alpha c. Then after that, hit enter. I'm also going to create a display line. So I'm going to go program input output 3 for display, and second alpha for my caps lock. So I'm going to put C is, and then I'm just going to close the quotation marks there, take the alpha lock off, and then I'm going to actually display C. So program input output display alpha C, enter, and it will run that program, and it's created the variable A, B, and C. What I'm going to do is actually delete those variables, and the way I'm going to delete them, actually it's going to be under here. The first menu option should be option G, DELVAR, delete variable. So I'm going to go up to G and hit enter, and I want to delete variable A after it's done doing all the math. Then I'm going to hit enter, do the same thing, program, scroll up to G for delete variable again, but this time it's going to be variable B. And last one, program up arrow to G for delete variable, and this one's going to be C. So that takes care, and then hit enter, so it executes that line as well. I'm going to go ahead and second quit to get out of this program. Now I want to execute the program. So number 1, it's recalling the program, enter to execute the program. There's our first prompt, what is A? So I'm going to put in 3. We're going to do a 3, 4, 5 just to test that. B, so I'm going to put 4 and then enter, and there's the displaying line C is, and there's my answer 5, and the variables have all been deleted from the program as well. So, and if we wanted to run that program again, it would be program execute. This time let's do 6, 8, 10. So let's do this one, the 5, 12, and there's our 13, another Pythagorean triple. All right, thank you very much.